This is the hardest look that I've ever done before. I've never done face paint like this, and I guess I thought it was easy, so we'll see what I think about it later. Follow me on a journey of trying to put this all on my face, and I'm gonna tell a story about how I should have realized that my boyfriend hated me when we were at Comic-Con, because all our videos, he's super pissed at me, even though I did our makeup, and it was super cool and pretty, and I thought we were having a great day, but we weren't. So I love Comic-Con. I think it is the most fun outside of Halloween. We're gonna do really exaggerated makeup and then line it, so it's gonna be like not blended super great on purpose. Anyways, so when my ex-boyfriend left me after I was in a car accident, I thought back to Comic-Con and how he just looked pissy at me in all of our videos. Even though I did all our makeup, I thought we were having a great day, but he secretly hated me. So this dude basically moved into my house after our first date. He was just at my place all the time, invited or not, and it was almost as though he was scavenging for food. Like, I thought that was super weird. He would put things in the cart when we were grocery shopping like he was my kid or something. I didn't really get what was going on. I had a Zoom work meeting once. Really excited to book these clients. They were really cool people. He shows up at my place in the middle of my meeting. When I took a bathroom break when we were restarting the Zoom, he's just like, "You need to tell them that you have a social life." After the meeting was over, he comes up to me all pissy and he's just like, "I ate." Okay, and I'm pretty sure I went to bed hungry that night because I had to deal with his fussy ass. What if this look just completely doesn't work? Oh god, well, we did try. I'm better with a paintbrush than I am with the eyeliner. So we're gonna go back over these. Gucci lipstick with this dollar store face paint. Let's continue the story, shall we? I was just kind of like, I'm a source of food for him, basically. And now it is fucking with my money, so nah. It's almost like before I kind of realized what was up, he got apologetic about it. No, let me stay. He was always getting mad, punching walls and whatnot, and I'm just not into it. So I'm just like, all right, you're done. Told him to get out, and after I kick him out, he is calling me repeatedly, and I tell him I have to sleep. So he says, "Oh, just go to sleep then, you fucking bitch." And he throws and breaks his phone and shows up at my house half an hour later, banging on my bedroom window, scaring the absolute shit out of me and my dog. This kid knew he was a problem, and he got super apologetic. He was like, "Give me another chance, I'll make you dinner." And he just made me some lazy grilled cheese. Like, he's like out here fighting for his life, and he hits me with the weekend dad special. One day, I get into a head-on car collision. It's a super freak thing that happened. It was just raining in LA. Nobody knows how to conduct themselves. Call him to come pick me up because my car totaled and gone. The next day, I didn't really sleep that night because you're not supposed to when you have a concussion, and I was very, very hurt, and I could barely leave the bed, but there's not any food in the house. So he says, "We need to go to the grocery store," and I was just like, there's no way. I'm seeing double still. That's just absolutely not happening. He just gets very, very pissed. While he's at the grocery store, I kind of pass out a little bit. I wake up to him slamming a grocery bag full of just frozen meals on the bed, and he just dumps everything out onto the bed and starts flipping out about how I need to appreciate him. A relationship is give and take, sort of just implying that I have nothing to give, seeing as how I'm broken from being crushed in a vehicle, so why should he have to do anything? Puts all of the groceries back in the bags and just left. But I got my revenge. Oh, how I got my sweet revenge. When he had broken his phone. I had given him my second phone. It just like works as a camera. I had to get it for work the year before that. And I was like, look, if we're breaking up, I want my phone back. Like, we haven't been together that long. You're not taking a paid off $1,100 iPhone Pro as your parting gift. He messaged me back. I've spoken to my associates and we've decided that I should keep it. And I saw red. I kind of turned out looking like Wonder Woman. I didn't mean to do that. And I was just like, spirits, ancestors, demons, whoever is listening, I have never wished harm on anyone before, and I do not give a shit about the karmic slapback that I get from this, but I want revenge. I have so much anger in my body. This is in your court now. I want him to get a taste of his own medicine. However, if something happens, I need to know. I told him that I was coming to his work. I said, you have severely underestimated my ability to make a scene. I don't know what you think I have to be discreet about, what I have left to lose. Whatever I said to him was very, I'm not trapped in here with you, you're trapped in here with me energy. He was just like, Jesus, okay, don't come to my work. I'll give it back, I swear. I did get my phone back. So the full moon comes and I get an email from him saying that he was jumped at the skate park at night. He had suffered a concussion and was in the ER. He refused to take me to the ER, by the way, with really similar injuries as I did from my car accident. He sent me photos of all of this, and he said it would be nice if I could come by. So I went over to his house and brought him groceries, and then I took them back when I left. I'm just kidding. I didn't go over there.